Hare Krishna. So we are on the 48th verse of the second chapter. Yesterday we saw how Krishna tells about one should just do work or activity without being attached to the results of that activity. What happens when one is not attached to the results is the subject matter of today's verse. Krishna says, Yogasthah kuru karmani sangam tyaktva dhananjaya siddhya siddhyau samo bhutva samatvam yoga uchyate. He says yoga. What is yoga? Yoga means working for the satisfaction of the Supreme. भगवान की प्रसन्नता के लिए कार्य करना, ये योग कहलाता है. So when one does activity, he says yogasthah kuru karmani. Do activities only for the satisfaction of Vishnu. Why? When we usually do karmani, when we do activities, what are we bothered about? The result of that activities. Sangam. We are attached to the result of that activity. मैं ये करने जा रहा हूँ, सक्सेसफुल होगा कि नहीं होगा, लॉन्ग टर्म में इसका रिपरकशन क्या होगा. ऑफ कोर्स सोचना चाहिए. अगर हम अपने लिए कुछ कर रहे हैं तो निश्चित रूप से सोचना चाहिए. लेकिन अगर हम भगवान की सेवा के लिए गुरु के आदेश के अनुसार वैष्णवों के आशीर्वाद के साथ कुछ कर रहे हैं, संगम त्यक्त्वा, डोंट बी बॉदर्ड अबाउट द रिजल्ट. Yes, what can be the result? The result can be siddha, asiddhayo. Whether whatever we want to do gets achieved or it doesn't get achieved. Samo bhutva. Be pacified. भगवान की इच्छा थी, आपने ये कार्य किया, हो गया, वेरी गुड. नहीं हुआ, एक्सीलेंट, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. सिद्ध असिद्ध samo bhutva. Krishna says this samatva, wherein one is not attached to the results in spite of non-appearance of results, one still keeps continuing. We see this very, very wonderfully in the life of Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada started preaching in 1930s, late 1930s. Until late 1960s, 30 साल तक कोई नहीं जानता एसी भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी कौन है. 1936 he was a grihastha. Late 1930s he was a grihastha. He had children. 1950s he took vanaprastha. 1960 he took sannyas. 65 he went to America. He continued preaching. Siddha asiddha. In between he went to Jhansi. He formed League of Devotees. XYZ things happen. But then he did not give up that activity of preaching. So siddha asiddha samo bhutva. So when one acts on the platform of spirit, when one acts on the platform of consciousness, then there is always continuity in life. There is always continuity of endeavor. Whenever we act on the level of mind, intelligence, ego, depending on the results of activities that we get, we either continue our endeavor or we stop our endeavor. But spiritual life, every endeavor is absolute, because spiritual life is absolute. This is samatva. This is yoga. Srila Prabhupada gives a very beautiful definition of yoga. What does he say? He says yoga means concentrating the mind on the Supreme Personality of Godhead, controlling our ever disturbing senses. हमारी इंद्रियां हमेशा वो भोग के गुब्बारों पर उड़ती रहेंगी. इनको जब हम निग्रहित करते हैं और मन को भगवान के ऊपर स्थिर करते हैं, उस कला को योग कहते हैं. So Krishna says, why are you worried about the result of Arjuna? अरे मैं अभी युद्ध नहीं करूँगा, अगर मैं जीत गया तो पूरा जो सिंहासन है वो मेरे रिलेटिव्स के रक्त से रंजित होगा, सब विधवा हो जाएंगे, ये वो. Why are you bothered about the result when I tell you just execute and finish it off? Samatvam. This is what is required. We see, following the dictation of Krishna is yoga, because when one is sufficiently purified by practice of Vaidhi Bhakti, Krishna starts dictating him from within. And when a living entity follows that dictation which is given by the Lord, then that dictation actually purifies. Just abiding by that dictation purifies the living entity. This is called Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Krishna